No place I'd rather be than here with you. That's all I need. There's no one I'd rather see close to me. That's all I need. If I could stay.
Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're a new subscriber, karibu sana. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always supporting me and consuming my content. I do not take it for granted, guys, honestly. So leo, guess what? So guys, leo niko na hii kitu inaitwa Feastables. So Feastables is a brand from the United States with the this is a chocolate brand from Mr. Beast. Mr. Beast is the most subscribed in Kenya. Not in Kenya, in the world actually. He's the most subscribed in YouTube. So guys, I got his chocolate. My aunt got for me from Serbia. But yeah, this is the older version because the newer version is not in Serbia. Serbia is a Europe country though. So, tuka kuionja. I tell you guys, it's how it tastes, okay? So guys, let me open it. Grand opening. Oh my god. Kitu by the way guys, imetoka kwa fridge. Guys, look at how it looks. Devour. So I want to taste it. It's just testing in. So guys, let me show you how much I know. So guys, it's testing in 3, 2, 1. This is original chocolate. It's sour, but it still tastes like dairy. Yeah, Kenya, the Kenya brand. Tamu. Oh my god. Nasikia kumaliza. Guys, but this is not a sponsored video. So guys, for it, I'll give it around, let's say, 8 out of 10. Because my cocoa is melt. 8 out of 10. Yeah, the branding, but then too many shapes, colors, nini. And then I'm gonna scan the QR code. Don't need it another. So guys, yeah. If you want more videos like this from Ian Emma Citizen TV, like this video, finya subscribe button hapo chini, turn notifications so anytime niki release video mpya, you are the first ones to be notified. And with that, tuonaneni in the other video. Goodbye.